Hearsay is an out-of-court statement offered to prove that what it says is true. Hearsay is inadmissible because it's considered not as trustworthy as testimony given in person, under oath, and subject to cross-examination. The numerous exceptions to the hearsay rule are based on the idea that statements made under certain circumstances are likely to be as trustworthy as in-court testimony. City of Dallas v. Donovan addresses the excited-utterance exception to the hearsay rule. The Donovan family was injured in an auto accident at a Dallas intersection. A stop sign usually at the intersection was down when the accident happened. The Donovans sued the city for negligence, alleging that the city's failure to replace the sign caused the accident. Under a Texas statute, the city was immune from liability for a claim arising out of a third party's removal of a traffic sign unless the city had actual notice of the situation and failed to correct it within a reasonable time. A witness for the Donovans testified that a woman drove up to the accident scene minutes after it happened. The witness said that the woman saw the injured children and was upset and emotional, judging from her facial expression, shaking hands, and tone of voice. The woman said that days before the accident, she'd reported to the city that the stop sign was down. The jury returned a verdict for the Donovans, finding that the city had actual notice that the sign was down, had failed to replace it within a reasonable time, and that this failure was a proximate cause of the accident. The city appealed to the Texas Court of Appeals, arguing that testimony about the woman's statement was inadmissible hearsay.